How to earn real passive income, the untold secrets. Hey, what could be better, right? What could be better than waking up in the morning and seeing that people have been putting money in your bank account all night long? Can you believe that could happen? I know it can happen because it happens to me almost every single day. In fact, it does happen every single day. And if you'd like that too, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to share with you these passive income secrets, and we're starting right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you every single time I do one of these videos. I do have a $97 course below. It's absolutely free. You can click and learn, and it requires no credit card whatsoever. Now let's jump into this passive income thing, because I think this is pretty cool, and I've been enjoying it now for over 10 years, and I want to share with you what I've been doing and what you can do. Now I'm going to have a lot of people put stuff in the comments, and I always do when I talk about passive income, what it is and what it isn't, because some things are considered passive income, some are not, depending on the angle you're coming from. So understand, yeah, you may have a difference of opinion. If you do, put it in the comments below. I would love to hear that. Or if you have questions about that, put that in the comments below. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is dividend paying stocks. Now some of you may invest, some of you may not everything on this list is going to be for everybody. However, dividend paying stocks are pretty cool, because basically all you're doing is buying a stock, and yearly they're going to give you dividends on the amount of money you have invested. Now obviously it takes time to build up one of these portfolios, but if you start now, you start slow, you start with $100 or $500 a month and put that into your stocks, you'll find it's going to really grow in the future. The second way to make money that is passive is through affiliate marketing. Now I do affiliate marketing too, and there is more active affiliate marketing and more passive affiliate marketing depending on what you're doing. So if I actually go out and I find a product I like, and I send out an email to my list, and there's a link there, and they click on it and they go there and they buy that product, and that company pays me some money, that is more active affiliate marketing. But what I'm talking about is more passive affiliate marketing. If you noticed in this video, down in the description below, there's some links, and they are all Amazon links or some other links to some other company. If you click on them, I get a small percentage. You don't pay any more or anything like that, but that's also affiliate marketing. Now what do I do for that? I don't do anything really, because I put those links down there, and if you guys click on them and you buy something, I get paid, so I really don't have to do any work for it. That's a pretty cool way to make some money. Now these same affiliate links can be put in your blogs, on your videos, you can email them out, you can do whatever you want, but they make you a ton of money as soon as you get rolling, as soon as you have a lot of traffic, as soon as you start sending out emails, they can make you money. Now the third way to make some money passively is through display ads. A lot of you guys may have blogs, you may have websites, and if you ever noticed on the side, you'll see ads running there. Those are native ads, and those particular ads can pay you money. Now on my website, I don't necessarily use those. I don't want ads on the pages. However, if you have a site, a blog or something like that that's just generating traffic, that's a great way to make money, because when people click on them, you get paid. Number 4 way is CPC, or cost per click. So maybe these aren't necessarily the affiliate type ads you have running on your site, but they're CPC ad. So when somebody actually clicks on one of those ads, whether they buy or not is not the point. As soon as they click, you'll actually get paid. So that's known as CPC. Number 5 way, course sales. I love this. I love this. I just love it because I have courses. That's why I love it, and I've made money on it. I have several courses, and I'm coming out with, I think, 4 more pretty soon. Matter of fact, there's one course that you can get free now that's down in the description, so you'll want to check that out. It's normally a $97 course, but for a limited time I am giving that away for free. I've made literally thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars online. But you know, sometimes you look at this and you say, well, how can you make that much money on it? You know, I have some continuity courses that are $27 a month, and you say, well, JR, 27 bucks, that's not much money. Yeah, but what if 1,000 people were paying you $27? That's $27,000 a month. Or what if 10,000 people were paying you? That's $270,000 a month. So I have courses that are on the lower end like that. I have courses that sell for $1,000. you know, it's just a straight sale where I sell the course, but you could do a course on just about anything. Whatever your talents are, maybe you're good at photography, maybe you're good at cooking, maybe you're good at, you know, working out, whatever it is your interest is, you could probably make a course on that and make money. Number 6 is creating a digital product. Now what is a digital product? Well, a product that's digital is something you sell to somebody that you don't really have to deliver, it gets delivered to them via email. Now I have ebooks, and those ebooks are awesome because it's just a file. It's a PDF file, so when somebody actually pays for that, it triggers the system to actually send them an email with a link to that ebook, and they can download it. So I literally did nothing for that. Okay, I wrote the ebook and it's just sitting there and it gets delivered to them. That's an awesome thing. That is a digital product. Next up, number 7 is YouTube ads. Okay, YouTube ads are pretty awesome. Now YouTube ads, the way it works is once you've gotten to a certain I guess level on YouTube, I want to call it, you can actually monetize your videos. And what does that mean? Well, that means that they can actually put ads on your videos in the middle, beginning, end. You decide where they get put. When that ad runs, you get paid per 1,000 views a set amount of money. So what happens is as you build your channel, you get more and more views, you get more and more ads. More and more ads means more and more money for you. Now to qualify, at the time of this recording at least, you had to have 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months, and you're going to need 1,000 subscribers. This channel is monetized, and you know, it was initially monetized years ago, and then they changed their criteria, and then we had to get to, it was monetized again by getting more views and more subscribers. But that was because my own fault. I just didn't work on it. I didn't put the effort into it. I am now. I'm putting the effort into it. I'm working on it, and we're seeing results, and that's how it works. So remember, you know, YouTube ads is a great way for you to earn money, but also remember, you're not going to be able to do it immediately. It's going to take some time to do it. You're going to have to put in some effort. You're going to have to record a lot of videos. You're going to have to spend some time on it. However, once you get monetized, you're going to get this money every single month, month in, month out. So it's really important that you get this set up as early as you can. You start right now. Some of you will say, oh, I missed the boat, JR. I wish I had started years ago when it was easy, when there was so much fewer channels on there. That's true. There were fewer channels on there, but there were also fewer people. There were fewer people actually looking at them then. So you know, you're no better off then than you are now. You can still jump in there. You can still make money. The interesting thing about YouTube is about half the world has access to it. Half the world. That's a lot of folks, guys. So you want to make sure that you get started. YouTube ads is a great way to earn money. Now keep in mind, you can choose to get money off YouTube ads and choose not to get money off YouTube ads by deciding to not monetize. But understand, YouTube has, you know, a dog in this fight, because basically if you don't monetize your videos, they have no inclination to show them to a lot of people. They have no inclination to make it a suggested video when people are searching, because they know they're not going to make any money on them. So if you don't monetize, that's probably going to hurt you. Number 8, I'm just going to throw this in. Have a business on the side. I have a business on the side. I have it, and it's not really a side business, it's my main business, but it's my Survival Cave food business. And my Survival Cave food business, we actually sell survival food. During the pandemic, it's made us a ton of money. It's been really, really nice. But that was something I set up years ago, more than 10 years ago at this point, and today it makes me money every single day. Now the way we have it set up is we have manufacturing in one area, one part of the country, and it gets made and then it gets sent to our distribution house, which is the place that we send out all the orders. So when the orders come in daily, I get the money. We make the product, we send it to the warehouse, and it gets shipped out. But that's all automated. Understand, that is all automated. We have employees involved that take care of all that stuff. So literally I can just make money during the day and not have to physically do anything at all. I do have to maintain that business. I do have to watch over that business. I have to make sure everything's working properly. However, most days it just makes me money and I don't even have to work. If you're watching this video and you're saying there's no such thing as passive income, oh, I feel so sorry for you, because you're destined to work a 9-to-5 job working for somebody else because you haven't believed the fact that there is passive income. Are there scams out there? Of course there's scams out there. 100% there's scams out there, but there's scams out there for everything. There's scams out there for movie tickets. There's scams out there for concert tickets. There's scams out there, you know, lawyers scam people and doctors scam people. There's all kinds of scams. But is passive income real? 100% it's real. And I know it's real. And why do I know it's real? Because I get paid on it every single day. And if I get paid on passive income every single day, and I know people get paid on it, then I know it's real. Now the thing that I think a lot of people get tripped up on is they want passive income, but they don't want to put forth any effort to set up that passive income. You do have to put forth the effort. If you don't put forth the effort, nothing's going to happen. It's all based on your work habits and how many hours you put in, how hard you work. Now there's always a group of people out there that they say, JR, you don't understand. I don't have enough hours in the day to do all this. I just don't. Okay, that's fine. Then don't do it. You won't earn anything. But for those of you who realize that you can turn off your TV, for those of you who realize you can take a 15-minute lunch and work that other 45 minutes on your business, for those of you who realize there's probably an alarm clock by your bed, you can get up a little bit early and you can get something done. For those of you who realize that you can stay up late and get something done as opposed to wasting your time watching other people's videos, this video is for you because it's there. The money's there. Don't forget to grab my course below. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. All you do is click and learn. And don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. Hit that big red button down there. If it's gray, you should have a bell next to it. You want to ring the bell, turn on all notifications so that you can get notified every single time I do a new video. You don't have to come searching for it. You won't have to do that. You don't have to go weeding through all the videos. I'll just tap you on the shoulder and I'll say, here's a new video for you to watch. So that's pretty cool. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments on passive income, maybe you've got some ways to make passive income. That's not every way there is. That's some of the ways that you can make passive income. Put those comments below. If you have questions about this subject or selling anything online, I love to get those questions. Put them below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.